Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a Minecraft server. This is more focused on Mac users, but focused for Mac users, but I mean the process is pretty similar. Um, and I'll let you Windows users know like when it splits off. Um, and I actually made a earlier video on how to do this, um, but it's a bit outdated now. Like I made it a year ago, so and it's actually a little more complicated than it needs to be. So I'm just gonna make a new simplified updated how to make a server video. Okay, so first thing you want to do is just create a new folder. Name it whatever you want for your server. I already have a Minecraft server folder, so I'm just going to name it Minecraft server tutorial. Boom. Okay. Then drop your Minecraft application in it. So right now it just looks like this. And once you do that, you're going to want to open up your web browser and go to this website, minecraft.net/download. I'll just leave the link in the description, even though it's not very complicated. Then once you're here, if you're using Mac, you're going to want to download minecraftserver.jar, or if you're using Windows, you want to download minecraftserver.exe. And I think for Windows you just run it, but yeah. So click that, download it, and once you download it, open up your Minecraft server folder, and then drop the Minecraft server.jar in, just like that. So now you have two things in your folder. Remember, this is this folder. Okay, and once you do that, make sure you don't close your web browser yet. You're gonna want to open up Terminal and type cd space and drag your server folder in, and just press enter. So that just gives you access to the files in the folder. Then you're going to want to type in command. It tells you right here, Java space blah blah blah. So just copy this right here. Don't copy the period. Just copy all this. And then just paste it in and press enter. Okay. So now you'll see what it's doing is it is just spawning a world for multiplayer. It's actually not ready yet, but right now it's just creating all the files you need for your Minecraft server. So for now, we're basically done. For now, just type save all, and then stop your server for a second. Yeah. And you'll want to go into your server properties now to change up some stuff. So just open it with text edit. That's what I always do. Oh, she was right there. Okay. Okay, so then here's the server properties thing. And by the way, yeah, you'll see how now after you typed in that command, there are a bunch of new files. These are all of your server files. Okay, so then go down to your server IP and type in your IP. You can find it using network utility. You just go to Wi-Fi and then show your IP with like 192.168. Whatever. So I'll just type in mine. I think that's it. Changes a lot. Okay. So then once you're done with that, save and you can quit out, or you can just look at some of the other things you can change here. Like you can change the message of the day, whether monsters are spawned, whether there's PvP, and so on. So then once you're done with that, just quit out. And then type in this command again, or if you already have it copied, you don't have to type it in again. So just copy this again right here, paste it, and press enter. Okay, so now, well, you can just quit out of your browser now. Open up Minecraft, and just log in. Okay, now just click add server. You can name it whatever you want, and then type in your IP or the IP you put into the server properties. And if your IP changes, then you have to change the server properties too, of course. Okay, and see it says it's up and running. So now click this, and look, it just generated a world for you. And right now, this is not a public. It's not a public server. This is just a local server, and that means that if anybody's in the same IP as you, so if you have some friends over at your house or whatever, all they have to do is type in your, just add it. Just do the same thing you did. They just add the server and type in your IP, and they can join. But if you want to make it public, then what you have to do is you have to do something called port forwarding. I'm not gonna give a tutorial on how to do that in this video. It's actually pretty easy. You just type in your IP address into your web browser, and that gives you a list of all of like your open ports and that kind of stuff. And so you just want to click like add. It's different for every router, but you just click add. You type in your IP. So like whatever yours is, like it should be 192.168 point something, and then port forward it for port 25565 because that's like the Minecraft port. And then when people type in your IP, like from wherever they are in the world, they should be able to connect to your server. Okay, so that's basically how to create just a basic Minecraft server. And this is going to be a series of videos. So this video obviously just showed you how to make the Minecraft server, and in future videos, which I'll be making very soon, I'll show you how to set up how to install Bukkit on your server. Bukkit is really just essential for any Minecraft server, and it adds so many new features like an economy, just a bunch of stuff, and they're like anti-griefing. It's really important. So I'm going to show you how to install Bukkit. It's a very simple process, and then I'm going to show you some of the top plugins for Bukkit and how to install those, how to use them. So I think that's it. Okay, so please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Okay, bye.